Are you looking forward to create content, but you don't know where to start from? You think you need a fancy camera, a ring light, just to mention but a few. In today's episode, we are going to look at how to create amazing content with zero equipment like this. Hello there, my name is Lottie and I do create educational content for your page. Or if this is your first time of tuning into our channel, please do also hit the like button, subscribe, and of course turn on notification bell so that you don't miss important educational content from us. Moving right into today's episode. First off, we are going to log on to any web browser on our mobile phone and then type in Leonard AI. Now this interface is going to appear. We click on the image generator and then it logs in. We click on get started. You're going to use your Google account to sign up. So if you already have an email, it's easier to use. So you click on Google and then you choose the account. I have a lot of accounts, email accounts. So I'm going for the first one. And after clicking on that, it automatically signs you into the app where you can start creating images. So we have a lot of varieties. We have image creation, motion, real-time canvas, just to mention but a few. Each day it gives you 150 trials to create image. That's it, 150. So we are going to create our image. By so doing, we just have to pick a username. So I thought I could use 5 letters, but then it says 4 to 15, so I'm going for Team Lottie Create. Once nobody has picked that username, it will highlight green. That means you are good to go. What are your interests? You just select education and you are good to go. Now once you're done, this is where the real image creation begins. So you have to type in a prompt so that AI will generate the image you want. So in this prompt, I'm going to type, I want a nice fake background design for YouTube video. It should have an aesthetic background with some natural lights and a laptop as well. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to click on generate. Now anytime you generate an image, out of your 150, 24 is being deducted and it generates 4 images at a go. Now once the image loads, you have to go through and select your preferable image you want. Whilst I was creating this video, I didn't really get the image I want. I think it was at the latter part it gave me an amazing background. So whilst waiting, these 4 images were generated. Per the prompt I typed in, these images were generated. I didn't really feel the aesthetic value I was looking for, so I had to retype and add some flowers. Let's see what it gave me for the second image. It also generated 4 images. This is what it gave me, an aesthetic background. So I went for the final lap and then I had this background you are seeing. So after it generated the last background for me, I then went straight to CapCut, click on new project and then select the videos I want to edit. So I have to go through the video carefully to see if it's the video I would want to use. If I finally get hold of the video, then I click on add. So once you click on the video, you click on add, then you go to CapCut, you click on new project. But before you do anything here, the first thing you have to do is to change the ratio to YouTube, which is 16:9. TikTok is 9:16, so you just click on the ratio you want to use. Then the next thing for you to do is adjust the brightness of your image. You don't need a fancy camera, so you just adjust your saturation, your hue, your temperature. If you've learned colors, you know how to blend these things very well. After you're done with this process, you then scroll backwards and then click on remove BG, remove background. You go for custom removal, automatic remove, and then it will automatically remove the background for you. What's next? The next thing for you to do is scroll again and click on background. This time you're going to add the image you downloaded from Leonard AI or any other AI used in generating your image. Now after it's done downloading, you click on the image and then you click on the image you downloaded from AI. Here you go, right? So the next thing is for you to adjust the video to suit the background, and then you are good to go. So we just have to adjust the video to suit the background. If you have a curly hair like this, make sure to scarf it before you start the video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned and stay connected.